hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So every once in a while I like to make makeup videos for you guys, and whenever I do that, you guys often ask me such questions like how to achieve that clean makeup base और मैं जो अपना makeup base है वो कैसे करती हूँ. So I thought chalo in this video I'm going to show you guys my makeup base routine and few of my favorite products which helps me to actually achieve that. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And what makes my makeup base look really good is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I love this product since my college days, guys. This is the first foundation I've ever used, and I'm sure कि आप लोगों की भी makeup vanity में ये product तो होगा ही because it's a cult favorite product. I'm so in love with this foundation because it's so convenient to use as it comes with this cute little pump over here, and it provides you 16-hour oil control and has SPF 22 as well. And the best part is their wide shade range as it comes in 18 different shades which fits all Indian skin tones. And now they have launched 6 new shades as well. I'm going to show it to you guys in this video as we proceed further, so keep watching. So before applying foundation, I'm going to apply this Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer which is for normal to dry skin. इसमें एक और variant भी आता है which is for oily skin, and that is the Matte Plus Poreless Primer. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of it so that my foundation fits well. And this will also help my makeup to last longer, और इससे जो आपके skin के pores होता है वो भी reduce हो जाएंगे. Done. Now time for the foundation. So among all these new shades, shade 118 fits me perfectly. Now I'm just going to take a little quantity on the back of my hand. I love how easily it blends into my skin, giving me this natural coverage with matte finish. Plus ये इतना lightweight है कि ये summers के लिए भी perfect है. You can build this foundation, guys, according to your liking, and उसके बाद भी it won't feel cakey at all. You can clearly see the difference, guys.
If you face difficulties in finding your right shade of foundation, you can just try Maybelline's virtual try-on on their website. Through this, your face will be scanned 360 degrees in adequate lighting to give you the most accurate shade.
Now that my foundation is all done, I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. So ये concealer भी मैं बहुत time से use कर रही हूँ, college time से actually, and it helps me to hide blemishes, redness, dark spots on my face. बहुत ही lightweight है, बहुत natural look देता है. Let's just blend it. And done. Now to set my base in place, I'm going to apply this Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This will just mattify my face and give me that poreless finish. Don't forget the neck, guys. And all done. I'm going to swatch all these shades for you guys one by one on my face so that you guys can see all the shades properly. So this was my makeup base routine which I follow every time I sit to do my makeup for a quick and long lasting makeup look with my favorite products. Guys, if you haven't used these products till now, then please do it. I'm putting all the links in my description box below. Do check it out and let me know your experience. On this note, I'm going to take your leave, guys. I'm going to see you all soon in my next YouTube video. Till then, please take care, stay safe, and I love you guys. Bye.